When using a file, A. Always bear down on the return stroke. B. Move it in a circle. C. Remove the handle. D. Press down on the forward stroke. Or E. Wear protective gloves. The prompt for this question, when using a file, almost perfectly mirrors the beginning of our passage. When using a metal file, always remember to bear down on the forward stroke only. Because the text explicitly tells us to bear down on the forward stroke, we can head to our choices and select D, press down on the forward stroke, as our answer. If we would like to be cautious, we can also eliminate the other choices. A, always bear down on the return stroke, is proven false in the second sentence. On the return stroke, lift the file clear of the surface. B, move it in a circle. This can be marked as incorrect, as nowhere in the text does it suggest you move the file in this manner. C, remove the handle. This is proven false in the second paragraph, which tells us to protect your hands by equipping the file with the handle, not removing it. And finally, E, wear protective gloves. The purpose of wearing protective gloves would be to protect one's hands, but the text tells us to protect your hands by equipping the file with the handle, and doesn't specify that you should be wearing gloves. Therefore, this can be marked as incorrect, and we are left with our original answer, press down on the forward stroke, as our final answer.